socket Obscura. Follow me into the realm and see sockets and other fastener drive systems that are unusual, obscure, obsolete, and even macabre. Hey guys, thought today we'd check out these unusual sockets that I found at AutoZone. These are on clearance for $5, but they're not available online, so it's hit or miss if they'll have them in your store or not. They're special sockets for petcocks, those plastic drain valves on your radiator. The petcocks are always buried deep down in the engine bay, and you have to do a reach-around move to grab onto them. And since they're made of plastic, if you grip your petcock too tight or bend it at an angle, you can damage it. These sockets should help with that. You get 3 of them in the set. There's this pointy tip guy. I'm not sure exactly what he's for. This other one, which is just a standard 10mm Allen bit, although it is quite a bit shorter than your typical bit socket. It's even a little bit shorter than the stubby bit sockets, so it's got that going for it. And then there's this one. This is the one I was most intrigued by. This is what I want for turning those plastic wingnut-style petcocks. All the sockets have standard 3/8" square drives in them, so I should be able to attach a U-joint and extension to this and avoid having to do that reach-around move to drain the radiator. The sockets also have an external 17mm hex drive on them, so you can use them with a regular wrench and get into even tighter spots by keeping it low profile. Pretty cool. Let's try it out and see how this fits on my petcock. I hope it doesn't grip it too tightly. And, yeah, that's not gonna work. It doesn't fit. Well, that sucks. I mean, it'll fit onto the wing part, but there's not enough room for it to get over the center. I guess my petcock just has too much girth. I'd have to grind out the center portion of the socket to clear it. That kind of negates the whole point of this video then. Whatever, I'll just go back to working my petcock by hand again, manually. So on the AutoZone website, it says these are for Ford, BMW, and VAG engines. If I have any viewers left that have a VAG, maybe you can tell me which one of these sockets works on it. For $5, I'm still going to hold on to this set just in case I ever need it someday. I was hoping that socket would be more universal, but it looks like it's for a very specific type of petcock. Oh, and these sockets are made in Taiwan, and they are made out of metal. It looks like they're made out of plastic, but they're not. They're metal. By the finish, it might be that metal injection molded stuff. I can't tell. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more obscure sockets. You never know what you're going to get on this channel. See you later. Bye.